Hey, I'm John Greaves III. I'm the co-founder of Garage Gym Life. And if you spend as much time in front of screens as I do, you're going to want to pay attention to what I'm about to show you next. I got a brand new product to try from Bob and Brad. And I was super excited when they sent it to me a few weeks ago because as I said, spent a lot of time in front of screens. So this thing came right on time. So what this is the Bob and Brad Zero Pro Ultra Quiet Eye Massager with heat and cooling. So this is a lightweight massager. Let me go ahead and show you guys what's in the case. It comes in this protective case that you can also use for traveling. I know because I've used it for traveling because we took a trip to California recently from Georgia. Comes with a USB charging cable. Set that to the side. Comes with this cooling gel pad. I'll tell you about that in a second. And then this is the eye massager itself. So yeah, I know this thing makes you look like Geordi LaForge from Star Trek The Next Generation, but I promise you, if you've never tried one of these, it is a game changer. So there are a couple ways that I like to use this. Number one, as I said, I spend a lot of time in front of screens between setting up for doing the research for our weekly live stream show to doing the show itself, which is about 3 hours long, to editing videos like this. I spend quite a bit of time in front of screens, and all of that blue light exposure just isn't healthy. I can always tell when I've been looking at screens for too long because my eyes start to get itchy, they start to get tired. If it gets really, really bad, I'll get headaches. And a lot of times I find that the only solution is to completely get myself off of the screen, and I don't even go outside. I just literally sit down with my eyes shut. Well, I found that if I take this cooling gel pad that comes with the Bob and Brad eye massager, and I just put it on my eyes for maybe 10 minutes, it goes a long way to helping just ease the irritation that I feel, because it lets the blood vessels in my eyes contract and it just relaxes me. So I actually prefer to keep this in the freezer so it's nice and cold. You may not want to keep it in the freezer, but you want to at least keep it in the refrigerator so that it's nice and cool. You put it on your eyes and it just feels awesome. If you've ever taken like a cold towel and put it over your eyes when your eyes are like really stressed out and tired, and you know how good that feels. So that's what this is good for. Low tech, no batteries needed for that. All right, now where the Bob and Brad eye massager is different is, and this is the second one of these that I've used. My wife actually did a review of the first one that we ever encountered. We saw it at HFA 2025 earlier this year, and I tried it and I fell in love with it. I was like, oh man, this is awesome. It's got air pressure, a little bit of heat. I love this thing. So we went ahead and we got it. And then Bob and Brad updated it and they sent us the updated version. So that is what I'm holding in my hand now. So a couple of things that are different about this one is on the side, you can see that the adjustment knob button is different. Instead of the 3 buttons that the old one had, this one has 1 button that you can use. You can push up to adjust the pressure that you're getting from the pressure of your massage, and you press down so that you can adjust the mode. All right. Now it's got, some directions there. This is also the power button. So if you push it straight down, it's going to turn it on. When you turn it on, there's a voice announcement tells you that it's on, and it's giving you air pressure plus heat. And it also has music. Now, another cool thing is you can link it to, say, your phone. So you don't have to listen to the built-in music that comes with it. If you were listening to a podcast or you have like a playlist that you want to listen to while you use this, you can go ahead and just do that. That's new. Then with this, like I said, you can also regulate how intense the air pressure is for the massage. And that kind of be, personal preference, whether you want it to be strong pressure. And remember, this is on your face. So you may want, I like the strong pressure, but you may not want to get this strong temple massage. That's what it kind of feels like. If somebody's like rubbing your temples really aggressively, you may not want that. You may just want something nice and soothing. So it gives you the options for a light or mid air pressure with that. And then, like I said, it also will give you heat if you choose, or you can choose to go pressure with no heat. You can go pressure with no heat, no music, or you can just say, hey, give me everything. Give me pressure, heat, and I want to listen to music. So the reason why I like the option for the no music is we actually took this with us on the plane when we flew to California. And because this doesn't have headphones, everybody can hear what you're listening to. So I didn't want the entire airplane to know what I was listening to. So I just had this going with just air pressure. And actually, I didn't even really want any heat. So when I was on the plane, I used it with air pressure without any heat. And then when we arrived, I actually had to get set up to do my morning show. Like, we only had a few hours. So I didn't have any sleep. And I didn't want to look like, I was using heat vision when I got on camera. So that's when I grabbed the Bob and Brad Zero Pro eye massager, and I went ahead and I used it again just to kind of calm the blood vessels in my eyes down again, relax my eyes so that, number one, I wouldn't get headaches, but also so I would be ready to, I wouldn't look crazy on camera. And it came in clutch. This thing has been awesome. I've used it and it runs for about 20 minutes from what I can remember, but you can always, stop it early if you want to. Maybe you just want a quick 5-minute hit. That's fine too. Yeah, I think that this thing is really useful, even if you're not somebody who spends a ton of time in screens. If you're outside working all day in the heat, in the hot sun, direct sunlight, come home, you might want to use this just to help relax your eyes, because again, you've been out in the bright sunlight all day long. It's just a great way to recover. I like to use it to just help me unwind before I go to bed. I think there are probably some people who might like to use it, first thing in the morning when they wake up, help you get ready for the day, because it will, if you hit yourself with that, especially if you take the cooling mask and you put that on and then you use the air pressure to kind of give yourself a massage, that might be a good way to just kind of get your system, your nervous system amped and primed up for the day, kind of wake you up. But I like to use it before I go to bed. So I use it, it relaxes me, and then I put it away, and I'm usually out like a light. In fact, the only drawback to this thing is that I don't find it comfortable to sleep in, because it relaxes me so much that I want to go to sleep. But I have to stay awake just long enough to take it off, because I've fallen asleep with it on and it's not a good time. Because as soon as I roll over, my face hits the thing and it don't feel right. So that's if I had to give it a knock, it would be that it's not comfortable to sleep in. But it is what it is, right? So this thing is, it looks to be pretty easy to clean. I haven't had to clean it yet because I haven't had it that long, but I believe you can just take a damp cloth and just wipe the inside of it to clean it off. You shouldn't sweat in it. I can't imagine a situation where you would sweat in it, but if you did, then like I said, just take a damp cloth and wipe the inside of it off. And if anything, it does come with care instructions, but I said, this thing to me is awesome. In fact, the one that we had before, we are actually going to send to my uncle, because he spends a lot of time in front of screens for his job. And sometimes he suffers from headaches and some of the same symptoms that I was talking about. So I'm going to send him that other one just so he can check it out, see if it's something that's going to help him out. If I wasn't, and I know you guys, when you're looking at it, you're like, yeah, well, why should we buy this? Of course, you're going to say that this thing is good because they sent it to you for free. Well, actually, the first one that we got, my wife bought. And then Bob and Brad did reimburse us because we did a video. But then I went and bought another one because I wanted one of my own. So I actually paid for the one that I'm going to send to my uncle. And then Bob and Brad had no idea when they sent me this one. So had I known that this one existed, I would have paid for this one, because to me, it is worth the money. In any case, You guys can grab it using the link that is in the video description. It'll take you straight to Amazon and you'll be able to pick it up. Again, this is the Bob and Brad Zero Pro Ultra Quiet Eye Massager with heating and cooling. And I have not seen anything else that I could compare it with that even in my opinion comes close. So another good product from Bob and Brad.